So this is my rant on why main bar prep courses sometimes lead us astray. And please subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I post new videos. So let's get started. The first reason why main bar prep courses lead us astray is because they don't show us how to use the materials they give you. They just give you that big box of books and you think that you have to memorize everything in there. But that's just physically impossible. And so many of us don't end up studying correctly because our main bar prep course didn't show us how to study, how to use the materials that they give us in that big box. And that is the first way in which main bar prep courses lead us astray. The second reason and the second way they lead us astray is they don't give the right guidance for the written portion of the exam, which is a huge portion of the bar exam, but they focus mostly on the multiple choice. They have a great system for teaching you how to tackle the multiple choice. They give you great explanations after the multiple choice practice questions where you can read why you got it correct or why you got it wrong, but they don't give you the same guidance on the written portion of the exam. They just give you a model answer. And a model answer does not translate into you improving your own writing. Reading a model answer isn't going to make you improve your own writing and earn more points on the essays and on the performance test. So that's another way in which main bar prep courses lead us astray. With a model answer, many people who are preparing for the bar exam, they only outline answers or they only read the model answers, which is even a worse idea to do only the outlining of the answer, because you really do have to learn how to improve your own writing before exam day so that you don't end up winging it on the bar exam. But main bar prep courses don't really give you the right guidance on the written portion of the exam, and you end up leaving points on the table, and those points may be the ones that make a difference and that may get you a passing score. And so it's important that you realize these two main deficiencies in the main bar prep course so that you don't rely on your main bar prep course in these two areas. And I understand because I did not pass the bar exam the first time, and it was because my main bar prep course didn't show me how to use my materials. I thought when I got that big box of books that I had to memorize everything, every rule in those books, and that's just physically impossible. But they don't tell you that, and they don't give you a better way. And I also ended up leaving points on the table on the written portion of the exam because they didn't give me the right guidance when it came to the essays. And so I want to make sure that you realize that main bar prep courses are great at up to 1 point, but there comes a point where you need to go off script, so to speak, and figure out what is the best way to use these materials when you get that big box of books. And you also have to figure out, how can I improve my writing before bar exam day, because all I have for my main bar prep course are these model answers. So I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe and please like it and share it with your friends. I'm also offering a free masterclass on this point exactly on how to study, because main bar prep courses don't show you how to study for the bar exam. They don't show you properly. So if you are interested in my masterclass on how to study for the bar exam, a better way to study, please email me. My email is listed below, and I'm having one once every week, and I will send you the link for the next one. And I am also posting a link to my workshop, MEE MPT workshop, where I show you my proven system for earning more points on the written portion of the exam, and the link is also below. So I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.